Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We were discussing about matplotlib package and in the previous tutorial we discussed about legend function. Next today we'll discuss about few keyword argument which allows us to change the legend properties, the looks of the legend. So today in this tutorial we'll discuss about marker first, keyword argument, shadow, frame on and column spacing. So first we'll discuss about marker first keyword argument. So this keyword argument takes boolean value true or false. If you give true, legend marker is placed to the left of the legend label. That is, marker will be present first followed by the label. And if you give marker first as false, then legend marker is placed to the right of the legend label. That is nothing but first label will be present followed by the marker. And the default value of this is true. So here we have our program. So if I execute this now, we didn't use the marker first keyword argument now. So it will take the default value that is true. So marker will be present first followed by the label in the legend. If I run this now, here we can see marker will be present first followed by the label. Now if you want to change that, if you want label first followed by the marker, then we can use marker first keyword argument. And here you can take marker first is equal to false. No, I don't want marker first. Okay, so that's why you need to take it as false. Now if I run this program, here we can see label first followed by the marker. So we can change the order of label and marker using this marker first keyword argument. Next we'll discuss about the shadow keyword argument. Whether you want to display shadow in the legend or not. This argument takes boolean value or none. Boolean is true or false. If you give true, it will draw shadow to the legend. If you give false, it won't draw any shadow. If you take none, it will take the default value. It won't show any shadow. So let's see the example for this. So here first I won't take shadow keyword argument. So it will take the default value. Here we can't see any shadow. There is no shadow here. Now if you want shadow, here you can take shadow is equal to true. You want shadow in the legend. So now here we can see the shadow, right? If you take false, it won't show any shadow. Using shadow keyword argument, we can draw shadow to the legend. Next we'll discuss about frame on keyword argument. So this keyword argument allows us to choose whether you want legend frame or not, whether you want to draw legend on a frame or not. It will take boolean value or none. If you take frame on as true, we can see the frame in the legend. If you take false, it won't draw the frame. If you take none, that is the default value, it will draw a frame. So let's see the example for this. I'll take frame on. If I take false, here we can see no frame, right? If you take it as true, here we can see the frame. If you didn't take this keyword argument, it will take the default value, that is none. It will draw the frame. So this frame on keyword argument allows us to choose whether you want to draw frame or not. Lastly, we'll discuss about the column spacing keyword argument. So we can change the space between the column using this column spacing keyword argument. So default value is none. That means it will take the preset value. So let's see the example for that. Here first I'll take ncol equal to 4. Okay, I'll take number of column as 4. We already discussed about this keyword argument in the previous tutorial. If I save this and run this, here we can see the space between each column. Now if you want to change this space between column, then you can use this column spacing. So I'll take 5. Here we can see label 1, label 2, label 3, label 4. Here we can see more space. If I take number of column as 2 and space as 5, here we can see more space between the column. If I take it as 10, here we can see, right, more space between the column. So here using column spacing we can change the space between the each column. Okay, so these are the 4 keyword argument which helps us to change the looks of the legend. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class. Till then, take care.